Good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope all of you are fit and fine. In our previous class, we were revising the voice of the rain, and in our previous class, we have written some lines, and now questions will be framed on that lines. Okay, now quickly note down the questions which is based on that lines. First question is, what does the rain where does the rain form? Where does the rain form? Question was, where does the rain form? Rain was found in the sky. From there only the rain is coming on this earth. So we have to say that the rain was formed in the sky. Where was rain formed? Rain was formed in the sky. Now, note on the second question. Why does the rain falls down on the earth? Why does the rain falls on the earth? Why does the rain falls on the earth? Why does the rain falls down on the earth? The rain comes on this earth to clean the atmosphere, to quench the thirst of the earth. Rain falls down on the earth in order to quench the thirst of everyone. Rain falls down on the earth in order to quench the thirst of everyone. to quench, means to satisfy, to fulfill their demand. That's why rain comes on this earth. Rain falls down on the earth in order to quench the thirst, in order to satisfy their thirst. That's why rain comes on this earth. Next question is, what happens to the seeds without rain? What happens to the seed without rain? What happens to the seed without rain? If there will be no rain, then no seeds can germinate. No tiny particles can comes out from the earth. Okay, so we can say that if there will be no rain, then no seeds can take birth. No seeds cannot take a life on this earth. No seeds can germinate on this earth. The seeds will remain unborn on this earth. Okay, 3 questions is based on that lines. Now we are going to write few more lines which is based on this poem. All of you quickly note down all these poems. And forever by day and night I give back life to my own origin. Here the poet also says that rain is the source of himself alone. Rain comes on this earth and the rain is itself responsible to go back. And forever by day and night I give back life to my own origin. And rain says that I give back, means I give life to my own origin and make pure and beautified, and I only the responsible, and I am only the responsible for purifying it and giving the beauty to it. For song issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment wandering, reckoned or unreckoned, means whether you give your attention or not, reckoned or unreckoned, duly with love returns. Whether you give your attention or not, the rain comes on this earth, purify and beautify itself, and again goes back without any bad experience to anyone. It doesn't matter, and it goes back with the love return. And forever, and forever, by day and night, and forever, by day and night, I give back life I give back life to my own origin, I give back life to my own origin and make pure and make pure and beautified and make pure and beautified for song issuing from his birthplace for song issuing from his birthplace after fulfillment after fulfillment, wandering, reckoned or unreckoned, reckoned or unreckoned, duly with love returns. Duly with love returns. In this passage we have seen that how poet is conversing, how the poet is conversing with the rain, that the song, the rhythm, the music which is created on this earth is because of the rain. It is due to the rain itself only. The rain is only the origin, the rain is only the responsible for the suit for the sweet songs, for the melody on this earth. And whether you recount, whether you give your attention or not, it doesn't matter. It goes back with love return. Now, 3 questions will be framed on this line. Okay, quickly note down all these lines. First question is, who does I refer to? Because in the first line of the poem, which I have written on the board, in the first line only this I letter was written. What does I mean? What does I refer to? In the first line only, this I was written. The line was that, and forever by day and night I give back life to my own origin. I give back. In the first line only we have seen that Rain is saying that I am the only person, I am only responsible who is going to give life to its own origin. I here is refers to the rain. I refer to the rain. Okay. Now, next question is, what is the impact of rain on earth? What is impact? Impact means what is the consequence? What is the influence? What is the sign? What is the effect of the rain on this earth? What is the impact of the rain on the earth? And what we have seen in this poem, we have seen that when rains come on this earth, it purifies the atmosphere, it provides greenery, it provides the naturalness, it provides the life to the plants, to the human beings, to everyone. One word we can use, that everyone. In that everyone, human being will also comes, and the trees and the environment also comes. So we can say that whenever rain comes on this earth, it purifies the atmosphere and provides the beauty and provides the naturalness to the earth. Rain purifies and beautifies the earth. Rain purifies and beautifies the earth. Okay. Now we are going to write the third portion on the board. Write the word which signifies cared or uncared in the poem. Write the word which signifies write the word which signifies cared or uncared in the poem. Cared and uncared in the poem. When we have written the lines of the poem on the board, we have said that Rain had shown his gratitude that whether you recount or not recount, whether you give your attention or whether you or don't give your attention, whether you care me or you don't care of me, but it doesn't matter me, I will go back with the love return. Same thing is here. Here question was asked, write the word which is used in the poem, which the word which is used in the poem whose meaning is cared or uncared in the poem. What is that word? The last line which we have written on the board of the poem was recount or unrecount, means cared or uncared. This is the word, recount or unrecount. Okay. This is the words. Words. Okay, these are the words. Recount or unrecount. These are the two words. Okay.